Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, we are in Palermo, which is a beautiful city. I'm going to say outside of Sicily. I will tell you, we got here super early this morning. I'm looking at my view right now. It's gorgeous, y'all. I can't wait to show you because the sun is coming up. But we got here early this morning, and I got up very early this morning because I have a tour. So we have to be downstairs on time to catch the bus because we are taking a bus ride over to a small town here in Palermo called Cefalù. So Cefalù is supposed to be very quaint, a very close-knit community, and I'm excited to see what that is about because from the pictures, it looks amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick sunrise tour because it is early, y'all. Just so you can see everything, get a feel for the city, and then we will be on our way shortly. Good morning, Palermo. It is beautiful here. Beautiful.
Cefalù. Cefalù is a small town, a medieval town located in the middle of the north coast of Sicily. We can walk to see, to visit the small town. First of all, we want to reach the beach because over there we have one of the most beautiful sand beaches of the north part of Sicily. We have Africa, only 250 kilometers from here away, so only 150 miles from here away. And so when the warm winds, the African warm winds, they arrive in Sicily, the mountains stop them, protect us. And this is the reason why we always have a high level of humidity in Palermo. Humidity and warm temperatures made a climate that is called subtropical climate. So we have the perfect climate for the vegetation, and this is the reason why we have so many gardens.
Welcome to the quaint city of Cefalù, which is located in Palermo, outside of Palermo, Italy, but you can think of it as Sicily. So this town is really cute, it's quaint, it's so charming, and I wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like as we're walking through. It's so pretty, y'all. Take a look. All these cute little shops and restaurants. Anything you could imagine, they have it in these little stores. And it sits right off of the water, which is so beautiful. Look at the balconies. Okay, so we are now approaching the Waterside of Cefalù, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait to give you a view of it because it is breathtaking. Check this out. Look at this, guys. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So, as you can see, while a small town, Cefalù is quite busy, and so I'm trying to keep up with the tour, y'all. But I'm hungry, but it's beautiful. So let's keep going.
In Sicily, you can see only here because in the other towns we use it to go to the river, you know.
Oh, to wash, yeah.
To wash. So this was a laundry. Where is the toilet? I'll show you.
Okay, so this is the wash rooms where they do their laundry, ancient style versions of laundry, washed by hand, and baptisms. Look at the details.
Okay, baby, let's go walking, okay? Yeah.
Y'all, it's very steep, so we want to go down with caution. And it's actually really cool in here, like breezy, very comfortable. This is interesting though. This is where they do their laundry in ancient times. I don't know. Is that coins? Okay, yeah. And it looks like people threw coins in the water. And it's like cave-like. Look at this. Cave-like. Amazing. Look at this.
This is a scale, you know.
Impastato va bene, impastato!
Tasty treats.
Yeah, up there, the king, and they show the color.
Welcome to the square here in Cefalù. We also see the church, stores, and shops.
Yeah, I don't see anything on.
Pretty though. Buongiorno. Beautiful sandwiches. All right, so we are entering the church now, the cathedral.
Oh, I know.
Whew, y'all. These steps trying to take me out. This is the church. This is the view from the cathedral. This is the entrance. Welcome to the Cathedral of Cefalù. Yeah. On the water? Yeah, it should be nice and breezy. Hey guys, so we are in a restaurant here in Cefalù. The food is good. They have pastas, fancy pasta, pizzas, seafood, and it's right here on Waterside here. So I think I'm gonna go to go spaghetti. Yeah. Olive oil, fresh basil. Looks like a red wine vinegar, and fresh tomatoes. Very good. Brioche bread, and he could have a bite of mine. Can I have a cone with yes, normal with the stracciatella? And brioche with cafe. Alright, so we have the brioche bun with cafe ice cream. So let's see what this tastes like. Cafe gelato. Oh my god. It's so good. We gotta try this. So good.